Hey guys, welcome to Dedicated, and in this video I want to show you how to replace a battery on an Audi Q8 2019 key fob. This will probably work on all the other 2019 Audi key fobs since for the most part they're all the same. So let's begin. On the back of the key fob there's the silver button. Press it and pull out the actual key. Next, take the key and insert it back. There's basically like a little tab you're trying to pry out so that that back cover opens up. You can also use a small flathead screwdriver if you have a hard time using the key. It's a little bit tricky at first, but you have to finesse with it to get it. The key fob uses CR2032 battery. You can purchase them on Amazon fairly cheap. It's about $5 for 4 of them or something around there. Prices may vary depending on the brand that you buy. I recommend you buy a good brand, that way you know it will last you for a while, so you don't have to do this anytime soon. Once you install the new battery, put the cover back on, insert the key back, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.